Good morning children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 5, that is the family of water. In previous lesson you learnt about drop of water, and here the family of water. How water is important in our life. In this lesson you are going to learn the animals which live in river, seas. Okay. And even plants also. Some of the plants lives in rivers and some of the plants lives in ocean. And the story between drop of water and children's. Okay. Children's saying to the drop of water, "Oh drop of water, are you here?" And drop of water falling, it may be rain. How drop of water coming to the earth? By rain. Drop of water saying to the children, "Children, look at these plants and trees enjoying if it is rain. If there is no rain, they will not enjoy. Even you also enjoying when it is rainy season." Okay. When the rain is coming, you want to come outside from the home, but your mother will shout you. Okay. You like to wet in the home. Yes, look at them, they are charming. Drop of water, today I had been to the river with my sister. Okay. See this picture, how plants and birds enjoying with rainy. The plant is looking beautiful, the bird is flying on the sky, the frog is dancing. Okay, the flowers are looking very beautiful with due to the rain. If there is no rain, they will not enjoy. The drop of water saying, "See, when I come to the earth in the form of rain, all the living beings feel happy." Yes, drop of water. Drop by drop in the form of rain, I come to the earth. I flow in the form of streams and join the rivers. All the rivers flow into the sea. There are different kinds of plants and animals in the rivers and seas. Okay. So one activity is for you. This is the picture about a river, and these are the animals which live in river. You have to write the name which animal lives in rivers. Okay. Look here. It is the picture of a river. Identify the animals, write their name in the space provided. In river, commonly fish, frog, duck, crab lives in river. Okay. And here, this is the picture about ocean. The animals lives in ocean. Commonly which animals lives in ocean? Starfish, jellyfish, shark, tortoise. These are the animals lives in ocean. And here all pictures are there. You have to make 2 columns and write the names. In first column river animals and second column seas animals. Okay. Which animals lives in river you have to write, and which animals lives in sea you have to write, and that is also homework for you. And another activity, you have to collect the picture about river animal and paste that picture in your notebook and write the name. And another picture which lives in ocean, and collect that and paste that picture in your notebook and write that. And another picture which lives in pond, and collect that picture and paste in your notebook and write the name that animal. Okay. And that is homework for you. See, when it is rains, everything looks green. The plants and trees grow and become beautiful. The ponds and rivers flow full of water. Okay. Oh, how many plants and animals are living in water? There are many plants and animals living in water, but it will not be in the all season, not same, varies from season to season. The drop of water saying to the children, true. Ponds and streams will dry up. There will be less water in the rivers too. And another activities for you. You have to do. Here first column sources of water are there, and next 3 column rainy season, winter season, summer season are there, and you have to write level of water. In rainy season, what is the level of water, whether high, average or low? Mostly in rainy season level of water is high. Write tick mark to the high column. And in winter season, how is the level of water, high, average or low? You have to tick mark if it is average or low. And in summer season, what is the level of water, high, average or low? Okay, this is homework for you. There are ponds and rivers in your place. To show the level of water, you have to put the right mark for that. Okay. And next, why does the level of water in the rivers, ponds and wells vary during different season? Okay, not same in all season. The level of water is varies from season to season. In rainy season, the level of water in ponds and rivers high due to the rain, and in summer season the level of water in the ponds and rivers are low due to the absence of rain and lot of heat. Okay. Yes, drop of water. In summer, the plants and trees lose their shine due to the shortage of water. Even the birds and animals lose their lovely lines. During rainy season, the ponds and rivers flow with a lot of water due to rains. During summer, the ponds and rivers become dry due to heat and absence of rain. Okay. Yes, drop of water. You are essential for all animals and plants. We also need you. Imagine that if there is no water, how will be the life? Yes, I am essential for all. Okay. Again, drop of water saying that I am the important. And small sing is there. You have to song that sing. Rain, rain, come, come. Children saying to the rain, 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 come, come. The gardens are dry. Rain, rain, come, come. No water for banana garden. Rain, rain, come, come. Help us grow crops. The living beings are thirsty. All living beings are thirsty. That's why you have to come to the earth. They are waiting for you. Why are you so angry? Come and make them happy. Rain, rain, come, come. Help us to grow crops. The rain fall on the earth drop by drop. The crops on the earth grow and grow. There is happiness all around. The earth is beautiful with greenery. Okay, children, understood how water is important. This is the chapter about family of water. Thank you.